What's up team, it's Sierra B, naturally, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to braid your own hair. I have just blow dried my hair, and so now I'm going to go ahead and put this cute little protective style in for the week. And so basically you want to split your hair into 3 small pieces here right at the top. Try to get as close to the corner as you can and make sure that they are fairly even if you can. And see, 1 2 3, there we go. And then you want to go ahead and position your hands. So if you watch really closely, you'll see how I'm pretty much just using my pointer finger to reach over and grab from one side, and then using the other pointer finger to kind of scoop hair as I go. And I'll be repeating this process throughout this entire cornrow. Also being very careful because I'm scooping in my edges as I go as well, so I don't want to be ripping my hair out. It is a protective style for a reason, but the scooping part is really important because it helps you to keep everything nice and neat. So as you wrap the hair around and grab the other side, you want to go ahead and grab some hair as you go and just make your way to the back. This may require lots of practice. I've been braiding my own hair for over 20 years, so definitely don't be hard on yourself if you can't get it the first time around. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch as I continue to make this braid. Throw on some music for you guys. If you have any other tutorials you would like to see, please comment down below and let me know. I can do a lot of things with my hair, so I definitely want to share all the knowledge I have as much as I can. So yeah, let me know what you want to see next.